So we'll be working with the Git repository. Let me start. So let me remove all these things. Okay. So this current application, what is there? First, from the admin perspective, right click on the application, export into a drive local folder, and then you extract that into a folder form, and then you keep this file structure ready. Go to the github.com and create a user. On the right side, you will see new repository. So click on the new repository, and I will give the name of the new repository as the one just now, SAP i5 project 007 SAP products. Any name you can give. And here you can click on create repository. Then you will see upload an existing file. Click on that, and the folder structure what you have, you can drag everything there. So you are an admin now. So you have provided all that. You created a simple application in the Web IDE. So you have exported that, and folder structure got created. And then after everything gets uploaded, this is a repository, two-way repository. From the other side, you do some changes and you push it. This gets updated and you pull it from your side. The updated files, you are going to take all those things. Commit the changes. So the admin part is completed. From the developer part, so after your client says, when he puts everything in the Git, your client says, now you can import that application. He will give you the URL only. Okay, this URL will be given. Okay, I'll just in the chat when I'm sending you the URL. Okay, now how to import the UI5 app from Git. So open the Web IDE. In the Web IDE, right click on workspace. Yeah, Git clone repository. So this is the main interview question also and certification question also. So go to the Web IDE, right click on the workspace, Git clone repository, and give that URL which I have given you, and click clone. This checkbox not required. Now enter that and click on clone. You might get some warning messages. You can commit and push, and you have to wait.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it. Very, very good. Now you can execute and you can see run as web application. You have to use this FLP sandbox.html. Click OK. And it will prompt for the, okay, so you'll get a launchpad, mock launchpad, a demo launchpad, field launchpad. You can click on SAP products. Here you can give the SAP OData credentials, which you already have. And you must be seeing the one what I'm seeing. Okay, so part one, I mean, importing all that is completed. Okay, now
yeah,
making changes and making changes to the app and pushing the code into Git so that other developer gets the standard updated code. Okay, so what we will do, for example, what we'll do here, So first we'll start with changing something like on the top here, SAP products with OData. Okay, there's a panel control, I think, on the view. Yeah, to this panel control, anyhow, title is there here. I'm just, want to add something to the panel control. Header text is equal to products. Saved it, refresh. Okay, I'm working with this. I made some change here. Now I need to push it onto the repository. Okay, there are some changes happened here. So I will stage all. What I'll do, panel text added. Commit and push to the origin or the main. You see, it left from here. Commit and push to the origin. And if you go to the Git and if you verify that panel header text, if it is there, then the code is latest one. You can see here, header text products, it is there here. Now what you have to do, you right click on the application, or you can open the Git pane on the right side. Anything you can do it, anything, and use the option pull and confirm that. You can see this header text.
I'm getting some conflict. Pull request failed. Check out conflict with file.
Pull request failed. Okay, so let me see your screen. This latest one, no? New one only, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, is it asking any password? By mistake, you pressed on any password?
No.
Okay, so let me share. This password is not required, but for the pull, it might ask you. Let us cross check that one. Okay, I'll make you the host. If you can share your screen, let us see.
Actually, I'm not host. Can you make me
I'm making you the host.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I made you the host. You can share your screen. Let us see what is the issue you are facing.
The right side I can see that.
Yeah, conflict you're getting. No, just click on OK. Yeah, what is the problem? I think here you click on stage all on the right side only, stage all.
Yeah.
Just scroll down and write something there, get something, git, get any, just some comment. Yeah, so here commit and push to the origin main. Okay, let us wait and see. Okay, and rejected non-fast forward. Okay, in this case, can you click on pull now once again? What is giving the message? Pull completed, no? Just check in the view, in the work list.
Yeah, it's there.
It's there. Okay, so from now on, I will change the code and I will push it and you pull it. Okay, this is the best way.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll end this session here. We'll again connect back.
Okay.